I cannot believe I did that. I knew better than to leave that much weight on the end. Man. Son of a gun. Well, may as well go see what it looks like. Rip the metal. And it twisted it on this side. Well, we can't have nice things. Crap. I believe I did that. I knew better than to put that much weight out here on the end like that, and I just forgot about it because I was trying to get it pushed off. I didn't want to delay Lance along. I didn't want to delay Lance because of the simple fact that he was being a really nice neighbor and dropping all that off for me. Hey everyone. A couple weeks ago, or actually a few days ago, a couple weeks in your time, but a couple days ago in my time, broke the forks on the tractor. So essentially it ripped the metal. I'll show you more of the carnage as we take it apart. But what I'm gonna do is we're gonna use the plasma cutter. I already took the nuts off. Those are just gonna slide, the forks will slide out. I'll show you all that here shortly. Basically I'm gonna put you all on time lapse and then I'll stop at certain points to explain what's going on. I'm not the best welder in the world, but my welds will hold. Hold on. Found it. Alright. I know it's loud, it's probably gonna be hard for you all to hear. Make it just a little bit bigger. All right, this is 1/4 inch square, sorry, 3" by 3" square tubing with 1/4 inch thick walls. So essentially I'm cutting 1/4 inch thick metal. I do have it set. I'm at about 55 PSI for air, and I've actually got it turned all the way up just so it'll cut through quick. If you set it on 30, it'll go through on 30 amps. It'll go through the metal. You just have to go slower. So if you set it on 50, it goes, I mean, it punches right through and you can just scoot. Oops, went off my line. Crap. There we have it. I know I didn't get a perfect circle, but I can't blame the machine for that. That's just my artistic skills. But you can look right here and see, I mean, it's straight through. No problems. I mean, just straight through. 1/4 inch thick steel, pretty smooth edges, other than the jerkiness from me moving. If you had a stencil to put to put the torch head around, I mean, you could make a perfect circle, no problem. I mean, I could have used something, I'm sure, but I wasn't that worried about it because I'm going to weld this anyway. Up higher. Stop blocking. Whoa. There you go. Smile. Don't look at this.
YouTube TV has your favorite shows. Live TV from 70+ channels. Try it free.
Got some kind of hold on me. You drive me wild, giving me that smile, and well, I can't make these moves. Take a single step away from you. Got a good back kiss that gives the best of me. Got a good back kiss that gives the best of me. Yeah, you make it hard to leave.
Like, Matt, put your mask on, Gage.
Okay.
So if they like the video, what should they do?
If you like the video, push the thumbs up button.
Okay, and then what if they have questions about the video? What could they do?
If you have questions about the video, leave put a leave a comment down below.
And then if they like the content on our channel?
If you subscribe.
So think about it. If you subscribe, you could see that cute mug almost weekly. Pretty good deal.
Bye bye.